Good evening once again. I welcome you back. We are group 78 members, and this evening we will be taking you through the steps involved in creating and presenting publisher document. But before then, let's look at the definition of a publisher document. A publisher document is a file created in Microsoft Publisher, a desktop publishing software application. It has the file extension .pub and can contain text, images, shape, and other objects that can be arranged and contain text. That can be arranged and formatted to create a variety of publications, such as a brochure, newsletters, flyers, and greeting cards. Publisher documents can be opened and edited in Publisher, but they can also be saved in other file formats such as PDF, XPS, and Word. This makes it possible to share Publisher documents with people who do not have Publisher installed. So, publisher documents are a great way to create visually appealing publications. They are they are easy to use and can be created in variety of styles. Here are some examples of publisher documents. So let's take a look at the first one. We have a brochure for a new product or service. Second one is a newsletter for a club or organization. And the third one is a flyer for special events. The fourth one is a greeting card for a friend or family member. And the fifth one is a report for a school or work. And then the definition, and we were able to come out with five examples of them. So let's take a look of the steps involved in creating and presenting publisher documents. Let's look at the first one. We have to open our Microsoft Publisher. And to open the Microsoft Publisher, you have to move your cursor to the search box or the search engine, and just type P, or you type the whole thing, publisher, and then you select the publisher. After selecting the publisher, the second point is saying that we should click on new. So the second one is to click on new. After clicking on new, then we look at the third one. The third one is saying that in the built in the template, select invitation card. So we look for built-in and select invitation card. So you just scroll your cursor. Okay, so we've now seen our invitation card, and let's move on to the next point. The next point is saying that in the template list, select template for your invitation card, your preferred choice. So we have to select any one of our choice. Okay, so and the next point is saying that we should click on create button. So create button. There are create buttons. So okay, let's look at the let's look at the save point. The save point is saying that we should add text to our invitation card. So the fifth point, so we are done with clicking on the create button. So let's add, the sixth point is saying that we should add text to our invitation card. So we have to add text to our invitation card. So let's take it as saying that we should add text to our invitation card. So here we have to add text to it. So maybe is it for party? Let's take it as it's a Mr. Sherry, something like that. So let's type Miss This birthday card, okay, birthday. I think we can also change the font size here. We can change the font size. Okay, so let's go to and change it to any of them, any of our choice. So we are done with the change. So birthday party. So time. We are adding text to our destiny. So time and venue. We are now done with the text. We are done with the text. So let's move on to the next step. The next step is saying that we should add image to our invitation card. So we have to add image. And to add the image to, we have I think two ways or many ways of adding the image. So let's take a look at the first one. We have to go to insert and then select pictures. And then you go to your location of your pictures, where your pictures has been located, gallery. Then you move to picture straight and select any picture of your choice. We are done with the first step. So let's look at the other ones too. The other one, you just move straight to far, and then you go to the location of your picture, where your pictures has been located, your gallery, and then select your pictures. And then still do the same. Just select any picture of your choice and you click and drag. And you can still do the resize. Just resize it. If it's so big to you, you can resize it to the shape of your choice. And then, okay, so we are resizing it. You can. Okay, so I think we are now done with the two ways of inserting the picture. So we can also change the size to, maybe the size of our paper is too small or too big for us. So we have to change the size of the paper. So you just move straight to page design. Just go to page design and select size. All the sizes will appear. It will pop up. Then you choose any size of your choice. So let's take this one. Okay, I think this one is well fit. And then the next step, the next step is saying that we should save our project. So we have to save our project. We have to go to file and then you move to save as. Click on the save as and choose browse. So we have to save it where, select where you want to save it. So either your PC or anywhere you want to save it. So you just select it and then rename it. So I'm doing it Amina, but I don't know how you will do yours. But then I will do it Amina. So we've saved it as Amina. The project has been saved as Amina. So we just click on save. You can also visit our site abdullahi123.eduplus.org for more information about creating and presenting publisher documents. Thanks everyone. Meet you next time.